So the Oura Ring 5 was not really on most people's radar this soon, mainly because Oura Health doesn't follow a yearly refresh cycle like smartphones. Usually there's a gap of around 3 to 4 years between generations. But now, a newly surfaced screenshot reportedly points to a late May announcement alongside pre-orders and sizing kits. Then, about a week later, the actual launch and shipments are expected to begin. What makes this more interesting is how the timeline started coming together. Back in March 2026, paperwork tied to a new Oura device quietly started showing up in FCC records under ID2 AD7V-OURA2602, listing a new ring with the model number OA13 alongside a refreshed charger labeled OA14. More importantly, the filing included a 180-day confidentiality request covering internal photos and manuals. Normally, that would point toward a late summer or even September 2026 launch window. But here's the thing, that 180-day period is simply the maximum limit, not a mandatory wait time. In other words, Oura can launch much earlier if it wants to, and judging by these recent leaks, that might be exactly what's happening. There was also that brief moment where Oura Ring 5 accidentally appeared inside Oura's own sizing flow video before quickly fixing it. At first, the accidental Oura Ring 5 reference looked like nothing more than a slip-up, but now with this leaked schedule entering the picture and FCC activity, it's starting to look less like coincidence and more like a real rollout plan. Now let's talk about the actual product. One of the noticeable changes is the color lineup. Oura is reportedly replacing the current rose gold finish with a new deep rose option. Based on the leaked material, it looks more like a bronze rose tone rather than a traditional gold finish. Alongside that, the ring is also expected to come in matte, black, silver, and gold, colors already available on the Oura Ring 4. The silver version may even split into glossy and brushed finishes, while the matte black model will likely continue under the stealth branding. The leaked image itself looks like internal launch material. It describes the Oura Ring 5 as smaller and more comfortable, while still keeping the same health tracking capabilities and membership features as the Ring 4. And honestly, that sounds very similar to the Ring 4 strategy. That generation also focused more on comfort, fit, and refinement rather than introducing massive new features. So if this leak is genuine, Oura may once again be prioritizing refinement over a major feature overhaul. But you can expect physically larger sensors for much better tracking accuracy. And to be fair, that approach kind of makes sense. Early batches of the Ring 4 saw a lot of complaints across like Reddit and tech forums, especially around battery drain bugs, and in some cases even reports of the titanium shell separating. So if Oura is focusing heavily on comfort, durability, and polish this time around, they're probably trying to avoid repeating those issues. There's also a redesigned charging case in the leak, which appears noticeably sleeker to match the slimmer Ring 5 design. Battery life is not expected to increase with the Ring 5, but considering the ring itself is reportedly getting thinner and sleeker, maintaining similar endurance would still count as a meaningful upgrade. So this seems less about extending endurance and more about making the overall experience feel more refined and premium. For more such videos, subscribe. Peace.